Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and getting clear access. Safety first, then act. Remove the throat plate and take the bobbin out so you can see the hook area. Once done, clean lint with a small brush and compressed air, and visually inspect the bobbin case for burrs or cracks. Make sure the bobbin is wound evenly and seated correctly. An improperly seated bobbin or wrong bobbin type often prevents the thread from catching. Now reassemble just enough to proceed. Now thread the machine top to bottom, raising the presser foot so the tension discs engage properly. You want to eliminate simple threading mistakes. Then lower the needle and slowly turn the handwheel toward you while watching the hook. The hook should sweep the bobbin thread loop just after the needle starts to retract. If it doesn't, check that the needle is inserted fully and facing the right way, and confirm the needle size matches your thread. Misalignment here is a common cause. Finish by fine-tuning. Slightly tighten or loosen the bobbin case screw while testing 4 to 6 stitches on scrap until the bobbin thread draws up evenly. Replace any bent or blunt needle and recheck that the needle plate and feed dogs are secured. Once adjustments are made, sew multiple lines across scrap fabric to verify consistent catching. If the hook still misses the loop, the timing may need resetting to the manufacturer spec. Stop and get professional service if you're uncertain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.